Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh. If you're considering CJ Affiliate, you're probably wondering if it's the right choice for you to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey and potentially make a full-time income. Then stick around as we dive into CJ Affiliate, exploring its legitimacy and know whether it's worth your time or not. But before we dive in, if you are interested in my preferred or my favorite method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, then I request you to please click the first link in the description. I'll be sending you my strategy right away. You know guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same? Follow the exact strategy and start making money for your success. You know, I've started from zero. Now I'm a proud owner of two different companies called Collabic and Stasho Method. Alright guys, so if you stick to this video till the end, I'm also about to give you a $97 bonus, and I'm going to show you exactly how to avail this $97 bonus at the end of this video. So I request you to please stick to this video till the end. Now, having reviewed numerous online money making platforms on this channel, like I have categorized into three different playlists right now. Like I have affiliate marketing for beginners. So here I teach how to make money by making use of affiliate marketing the right way. And the second one is I'm going to review affiliate platforms and other products where these products are legitimate to make money or not. And the other one is, this is my own program. I'm going to show people how to start a dietary supplement business from their home without any inventory or without any product. Alright guys, so let's get started with evaluating CJ Affiliate. You know, CJ Affiliate is an well-established player in the affiliate marketing scene, tracing its roots from back to 1998. You know, with 2,800 plus brands under its belt, including chains like Blue Apron and IHG Hotels and Bed Bath and Beyond, it's undoubtedly a powerhouse. So to get started, you can sign up globally and access a plethora of affiliate programs. The process is straightforward. You know, click on get started, fill in your details, and you're in. However, there's a catch. Each brand on CJ Affiliate has its unique affiliate program style, ranging from cost per acquisition, which is nothing but CPA for leads, or applications, to commission based earnings for actual sales. Now here's the challenge. If you are a newbie, some brands may require prior affiliate marketing success for approval. So it's a bit of a catch. But my suggestion and my advice is to apply anyway and emphasize any online exposure you may have. And coming to payment wise, CJ Affiliate issues payments 30 days after the rolling refund policy, and these payments are made on 28th of each month, primarily through direct deposit or checks. However, the latter can be old fashioned, taking 2 weeks to arrive, especially for international users. While CJ Affiliate is a veteran in the game, its downside is the potential hurdle for newcomers lacking prior affiliate marketing success. But don't be discouraged. Apply to multiple programs, highlight any online presence, and see if any brands approves you or not. So the commission you earn depends on the affiliate program. It may be CPA or percentage based for sales. Be aware that working with big brands may offer low commissions, typically between 5% and 10%. If you are okay with delayed payments and have some experience, CJ Affiliate can be a great platform. And however, if you are a beginner, there's a learning curve, as CJ Affiliate, like many other networks, doesn't provide guidance on marketing strategies. And if you are someone with a background in affiliate marketing, leveraging your blog, social media presence, or other platforms can make promoting CJ Affiliate products easier. However, for beginners, as I said, there might be a learning curve. For those willing to navigate these challenges, CJ Affiliate is legit and boasts an impressive portfolio of big brands. But remember, success depends on your marketing. Lastly, payments can take over 2 months due to 30-day refund policy and monthly payment cycle, which might be a drawback for some. That's it guys. So as I promised, here is your bonus. So once you click the description down below and click on the first link, there would be a presentation page. There you need to get registered after watching the presentation. If you like, you can watch the training for free. It's a 2-hour training on affiliate marketing. You can watch the complete training. You would be getting a clear idea, and instantly within 2 hours you would be receiving the free bonus of $97 directly to your email. So please avail this. Why? Because you won't be finding this kind of strategies anywhere all across the internet. This is my hard work, and I came from zero. Now I'm a proud owner of 2 different companies where I'm earning thousands of dollars from there. So the exact strategies what I came across for success, I'm going to share it within this $97 bonus. So don't miss out. And that's it, guys. At last, I would like to conclude saying CJ Affiliate is an veteran, but success hinges on your marketing skills and prior experience. If you're starting fresh, consider seeking comprehensive training. So if you are interested, I offer a free masterclass on affiliate marketing. Click the first link, as I said, you get registered and get the complete access of 2 hours training on affiliate marketing. So we are going to embark on your journey from $0 to $10,000 a month for sure. I hope this review sheds lights on CJ Affiliate. Best of luck and catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.